Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to speed up your Samsung or any Android phone by simply changing few options. Now go to your settings, scroll down, about phone. Now here tap on software information. Now tap few times on build number. It will ask for your code. Now developer mode has been turned on. Go back. On the last option, developer, scroll down till you see animation. Here it is, window animation skill. Tap on it. 0.5, second 0.5, now the third 0.5. As you can see, my device is working way faster. Now if this video was helpful, leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel.